that who I think it is? Straight out of content? Is that the new?
Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers, and we're bringing you Flash UV. It's your boy Straight Out of Content, and I'm going to be showing you this big Flash UV, UVDTF. I'm gonna apply it to my windshield of my car here, my Kia. If you have any Kia or Honda issues, don't forget to check out Carl's Garage and all the other videos that I have on this car. But again, guys, this video is about UVDTF, permanent DTF. You guys,
Weedless decals.
Weedless decals. Again, you guys see a lot of this product on Etsy and other platforms, and it's like pre-made stuff, or it's like really small stuff for like glasses and cups and stupid stuff. But we want you guys to know that you can do this very big. And again, this is only 22 inches wide, but you can go as long as you want. If you have any questions, just email us or order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Our standard sheets are 22 by 24 inches. And then we just released a brand new sheet, which is only $19.99. It is a 22 by 12. So it's 22 across, or 22 wide, and then 12 inches height for those people who are just using like smaller things. But we can go bigger. We can do however long that you need. If you wanted something to run the length of your car, or the length of your house, or the length of your side of your, the one guy wanted something with his RV. So we can go very long and 22 inches wide. So it's a very big graphic. So let's go ahead. First thing we want to do, we want to squeegee this down. Let me grab the squeegee.
Okay. Flash Custom Transfers on the 1s and 2s.
Oh, also, I'm going to show you guys that you can apply this with a wet application. So I got my soapy water here. Shout out to Twin. She's a professional. Oh, they're over there killing my video. Shout out to Twin. She's a professional rap. She actually did our what's that called over there? The PPF on our Lexus over there. So what I'm gonna do is you take your squeegee, you wanna make sure that you put your graphic down, squeegee it down real good. Again, this car is super dirty because this isn't the car that we drive our Lexus. And we wanna peel it back. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it always.
And again, we will, oh, dang it.
Careful.
We will be able to apply, so you're not gonna have to worry about applying it and then it being stuck forever. We can apply wet. So we are gonna save this, leave this up here. All right guys, so this is it right here. We peeled the backing off. Now again, if you go to stick this, it's gonna stay. So that you can kind of maneuver how you stick it, just like regular permanent vinyl. Or like, can you do wet application on Oracle 651?
Sure can.
Oh, you can? Okay, so
yes.
Same thing with this too. We're gonna wet this up, some soapy water.
Doesn't have to be too much soap, just enough. As you can see, I'm gonna just get in close. You can see we got a little bit of bubbles here, not too many. And that's what's gonna help with the wet application, to be able to maneuver it and slide it around. Because if we didn't have the water and the soap, it would just stick wherever you put it.
Exactly, and that's not what we want. Tell me when we get even.
Oh Lord, you gonna leave it up to me?
No, I need to pull it a little.
It's super crooked. Oh, it is cute on there.
It is cute, yeah, right? See, and it comes right up. Tell me, baby, is it good there?
Oh no. I think the F needs to be higher.
Higher?
Now look at that.
Yeah, again, we're gonna be taking it off anyway.
We are?
Yeah, because we're gonna show the length. This is gonna be the practice windshield that we're gonna do. So we're gonna be showing you guys all the different things that you can do on your windshield, on your car. This car is gonna be the dummy car. So when I do a big graphic on the hood with UVDTF, you guys will be able to see it. When I do some flames or big Goku or something like that on the door, you guys will be able to see it. So this will probably definitely come off. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and squeegee it down.
Okay, so that is your set desired?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not trying to be perfect.
Well, kind of show where you can maneuver it. Like just kind of wiggle it a little bit. Is it too late?
No, it's not too late.
Just kind of give them the idea that it'll.
I mean, I showed them. They know how to do it. Again, we're not appliers. We're suppliers.
Appliers.
So you can maneuver it different ways. I don't know if you want to lift up that. Then we both can lift up together.
There we go.
Yeah.
So just kind of show him.
Yeah.
Like you see, you can move it here, move it there, find the perfect spot. That wet application really is a game changer for you, UVDTF.
Now we got to see. Oh yeah, you messed it up.
That's fine. It's not about messing up. It's about education.
There we go. There we go. All right. So now,
perfecto.
Now I will. Oh yeah, that looks good. Now I will squeegee it out. And again, be very gentle whenever squeegeeing it out. Because see, it's gonna want to shift as we squeegee out all that water. And what I used on a cup, I used a napkin. So I used a napkin. But all you professional guys, and this is why we're gonna target, well, she's out there all by herself. This is why we are going to target a lot of vinyl shops and stuff like that, because you guys are professionals. You guys know how to do this easy. This is, you know, this takes 2 seconds. Oh, you want to get me?
I did get you. Okay.
This is for IG.
It looks really good because the wet application bottle, it looks really good.
Yeah. And again, shout out to Twin. She does this. She's a professional. So we want to show you guys that you can now add this product to your business in full color. Because a lot of people have this, but it'll actually leave this like clear film around. Whereas with UVDTF, it doesn't. It's all transparent. And again, this is a mess up. That's why it looks like that. That's why you see like the little edges, because we're going to use all the messed up ones you guys notice in your examples, or anybody out there who's received a UVDTF. It doesn't look like this. So when we got it, we were like, oh, this is perfect. Again, sometimes a printer, when doing certain things, if it's not set right, it will mess up. But you guys will never receive that. But it's perfect. So we use all the mess ups. Remember, what's the gang sheet we got in there right now? The double.
Yes, the duplicate.
The duplicate, yes.
And so we just take that opportunity, instead of discarding them, tossing them, we just use it for good content.
Yeah.
You guys, I mean, the product is still golden.
Yeah, so if you guys order a sample and you get a bunch of old UV DTF or a bunch of UV or a bunch of regular DTF, it's because we had it laying around the house. Why not? You guys want samples, right? So
we have so many.
We have so many samples. We have thousands of DTF and UV DTF transfers that we just say, you know what, let's use this for a video. Yes, let's use this for a video. So this might almost be ready to go.
I think so. I don't even think it needs that much pressing.
That much pressing? No, not really.
Think? I don't think.
Nope. Because it may look like that there's moisture here, which there is, but again, that's the film that's coming up. And again, we will be scraping this off, showing you guys how to remove it. So I want to leave it for a few days, leave it in this Texas hot sun, and then we will scrape it off, show you guys how to remove it. So if you want to use this on your vehicle, you'll see how permanent it is. You'll see how well it stays up to the elements. And then you'll also see how easy it is to remove if you ever did. If you ever wanted to. But we will be putting it on the paint, we'll be putting it on the glass, we'll be putting it everywhere, inside the car. I might put it on my watch. I don't know.
You're not.
There's so many applications that you can do with
like a blank canvas.
UV DTF. So let's go. Let's see if we can peel it. Oh, no, so still got a little moisture here. Okay, yep, so this is so it's still a little bit moisture underneath.
Should I try this side?
Huh?
Should I try this side?
Yeah, I gotta, no, I gotta let it get all that moisture out, because I sprayed a lot of soapy water this time. So you gotta kind of squeegee it out. See? There's still so much
water underneath.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. All that water I'm pushing it. But if you do vinyl applying, or if you do vinyl wraps or car wraps, and you happen to catch this video, please let me know. Again, I'm not a professional. We don't apply. We're just manufacturers. So what technique do you guys use? Would you use a heat gun now at this point? I have a heat gun, right? Would you use one at this point?
For what? To dry it?
Yeah, to kind of dry it up.
Hold on, Mama, with that.
To kind of dry it out, to get all this extra moisture out. You know what I mean? I don't know what you guys would use. As you can see, there's a lot of, we're just trying to squeeze all that out. Let's see if we got it all out of this. Oh, there's still a little bit. Oh, I'm about to try. Let's see. Oh, there we go.
You want to see? Let me come around.
So I got all the moisture out. There you guys go. Look, it's gonna peel no different than any other vinyl out there, except this is not vinyl. This is UV DTF. This is a lot more durable. Let's show them permanent vinyl, because this is what we're gonna be removing next. And this video will be on Chelly's Flash Custom Transfers channel. This is vinyl. This is permanent vinyl. UV DTF will not do this.
Yeah.
It's not gonna lift like this. It's not gonna crack. Look at all these cracks. Can the camera see all the cracks? Yeah. This is permanent vinyl. So stay tuned for that video. We're gonna film that tomorrow when we take this off and put a brand new UV DTF. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna get one good peel. I'm gonna squeegee the rest of this.
Stickers.
Yeah, show them, baby. Show them everything.
These are the eco-friendly stickers, eco-solvent stickers. We were cleaning the glass with alcohol and it took off the ink. These are sunproof, weatherproof, waterproof, but not alcohol proof. So we don't recommend these for the vehicle. Well, you can, but UV DTF is really the way to go. So there's no limitations or no exceptions of the quality.
All ready? Let's try from this end too. Oh, you want me to come over there? No, I'm gonna peel from that end. Corner of this F is still a little moist. Squeeze, yeah, still a lot of. All right, so let's get a good peel. Fold this in so I can get a little more room.
Oh.
Peel it. No different than you do. This one's a little more tight. Just gonna peel it. And also, what UVDTF likes a lot is when you do it with your fingers.
Yes, rubbing it.
I don't know why it loves to be rubbed in. It's very weird. Isn't that weird, babe?
It's not.
It's
I
not?
can relate.
Oh my God, Shelly.
What?
You're always being inappropriate on camera. But yes, so I'll rub that in and then watch.
And it might be like the heat of your fingers.
I'm thinking
you
so.
know, like it kind of just
But
helps
when
activate.
you, oh, yep, it's wet right there. That's the reason why. Now, if you have a really steady hand and you're able to do this with without moisture, please do. Again, we are not appliers, we are suppliers. So if you are really good at being able to place and go one time, by all means, please do. Look how bright the color is. Look at that bright that UV is. Oh yeah, here we go.
Car!
And look at these colors. Remember, it's transparent, so only your graphic is gonna show up. This is for all the professionals out there, guys and ladies.
How about ladies and gentlemen?
Ladies and gentlemen, don't knock me for my professionalism. I know I'm not a pro. I'm sure you guys are watching like, what is he doing?
You're a supplier, not an applier.
I'm supplier, not an applier, but we have officially applied
And
UVDTF to the car.
Nice job, Mr. Straight Outta Content.
Yep. Now again, you guys know how to get bubbles out. I don't know how to do all that because this is a permanent thing. We do apparel. There you guys go. There you guys go. Right there, Flash UV, UVDTF. Again, please contact us. We can go the length of the windshield. This is just an experiment. It was actually, we printed out a bunch of these. All the ones that messed up, I was like, babe, let's go ahead. Let's put one on the car. She was like, I wanted to put a Lexus on the Lexus. She was like, no, we're not gonna do a Lexus. So I said, all right, well, let me use the raggedy Kia to be our guinea pig for all of our experiments. So, oh, look at your mic. So for all, the Kia's gonna, what?
You got a big old piece of my hair in your beard.
Oh, so the Kia is gonna be the experiments for all of the cool, it's on my glasses.
Get it, I saw it come out of your eye. That's funny.
They ain't trying to let us film, all right, guys? So again, the key is gonna be the experiment for all of our UVDTF experiments and ways that we show you guys how to apply it to vehicles. And again, we're just gonna continue to look for ways, maybe apply it to our trash can, right? Apply it to the wheels, to the rims. I have an idea that I wanna do for the rims. I have an idea of if I can get like the dimensions of the headlights, kind of making your headlights cool by just printing white and putting it on there. Again, the possibilities are endless with UVDTF. We need you guys out there, ladies and gentlemen, to figure out ways of how to use it. It's a brand new product and we are the pioneers of trying to get it out there. So if you guys can think of something cool, please tag us on Instagram at Flash Custom Transfers or Straight Outta Content. Please comment on all of these videos. Head on over to Flash Custom Transfers YouTube channel. Please comment, spam the comments in there. Email us, go to Facebook, Flash Custom Transfers, comment on there. If you have any questions, contact us or order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, order now at flashcustomtransfers.com if you have any questions, or head on over to the website. We now got the brand new 1999 22x12 UVDTF gang sheet. 1999, guys, flashcustomtransfers.com. Check us out.
Wait, is that who I think it is? Straight Outta Content? Is that the new Flash UVDTF on your windshield? Oh my God.
It dang sure is.
How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Yeah, listen, go ahead, look. Here's some UVDTF samples. Here's my card.
Thank you,
go ahead,
thank
take that right there.
you,
You know what I'm saying?
thank
Listen,
you.
guys, there's a lady. I'm sorry. What's your name?
Oh, Chelly.
Okay, hey, what's up, Chelly? Hey, how you doing? So there's a barcode on the back, right? Or a scan code. You can scan that with your phone, right? And you can check out flashcustomtransfers.com. Don't forget to check out Straight Outta Content. That's me. You can check out my.
I already follow you.
You already follow me?
Yes.
Okay, bet. So you already know what type of products that we got. But go ahead, share it with your family and your friends and stuff like that. Do all that. Let them know that we have regular apparel DTF, as you can see right here.
Oh, that is super
The strongest
nice. I
transfer
need
in
to
the
get
world.
one of
Strongest
those.
transfer in the world. And we also got UVDTF. And look at that. Come on, look at that.
It is so beautiful. Wow. Is that weatherproof?
It's definitely weatherproof, full color. It's transparent, just like our apparel DTF transfers. It's amazing product. Check it out. And if you need any help, email us or order now at flashcustomtransfers.com. We got you. We're going to help you out.
Sure will. I will definitely check you out. Thank you so much.
This whole time in this video, I've been looking at my camera instead of yours. I'm tripping.
Bye.
Peace.
Tell your beautiful wife I said
I will.
Peace.